Ask a chatbot to plan a family day trip, and it can give you a polished answer in seconds. Go to the beach, leave at 9, have lunch nearby. It sounds useful, but there is one problem. It never checked the weather, your calendar, the travel time, or the budget. It just answered the question. It didn't actually work through the task. This is where an agent is different. An agent is not the language model alone. It is a system built around the model, giving it a goal, approved tools, instructions, a record of what has happened, and a loop for choosing what to do next. Instead of stopping after one response, it can take another step. Our goal is simple. Plan a family day trip this Saturday for less than 150 euros. Saturday, family-friendly, and within budget. Some agents create a plan first, others choose one step at a time. Here, the sensible first move is not to write an itinerary. It is to check the facts that could change the plan. The model cannot magically see your calendar or tomorrow's weather. It has to ask a tool that can. A calendar tool returns when you are free. A weather tool returns the forecast. A route tool estimates travel time. A calculator totals the cost. The model chooses which approved tool to use and what to ask. The tool performs the outside operation and returns a result. That result becomes new information for the next decision. The feedback loop is the defining part. The forecast says heavy rain, so the beach plan is no longer a good choice. The agent keeps track of what it has learned, updates the task, searches for an indoor option, checks the new route, and recalculates the cost. So it doesn't restart from nothing. The result of one step changes the action selected for the next one. That gives us the simplest useful mental model. Start with a goal. Choose an action. Use a tool. Observe the result. Update the state, then choose the next action. The loop continues until the goal is complete, a limit is reached, or the system needs a person to make the decision. Goal, action, result, next action. Not every multi-step automation is an agent. A workflow can branch, but its possible paths are designed in advance. An agent uses the model to decide which allowed step to take from the current situation. There is no perfectly universal boundary between the two, but the distinction is useful. A workflow follows predefined routes. An agent can select the route as it goes. The ability to act also creates risk. A tool can return bad information. The model can choose a poor next step, and the loop can continue for too long. A useful agents therefore need boundaries, approved tools, spending and step limits, activity logs, and permission before irreversible actions. In our example, the agent can prepare the itinerary, but it should ask before buying the tickets. So an AI agent is not a digital employee hiding inside your computer. It is a controlled system in which a model can choose an action, use a tool, inspect the result, and continue toward the goal. A chatbot answers. An agent runs a controlled loop. Goal, action, result, next action. Not magic, just AI connected to tools, state, and boundaries.